8 Most Beautiful Villages in the World with Protected Nature Part 4. Stepantsminda Village is a small village located at the foot of Mount Kazbegi in Georgia. This village has a very rich and interesting history to learn about. One of the hallmarks of this village is the Tsminda Sameba church, which is situated on a hilltop and dominates the village landscape. The church was built in the early 14th century and has survived to this day as an important place of pilgrimage for the people of Georgia. The village of Stepantsminda is also one of the starting points for the ascent to Mount Kazbegi, which includes challenging hiking routes and beautiful natural scenery.